so this is the Borla road test, and yeah, let's get it on. Less than 80 decibels inside under wide open throttle. I think maybe 74-ish it looked like on the acceleration through the pull. Kind of has the average. Cruising right now. Let's get down to 55. We're at 55 miles an hour. We are about 70 decibels. Quiet, like stock. Like stock. The note is a little different. It's reasonably clean. Some would say this is a refined exhaust. Yeah, not very aggressive. Let's try a little bit more. Alright. Right on 70 miles an hour there. And look out for this guy. Right on 70 miles an hour there. I don't know how he found his way onto our Mexican freeways. Just over 70 decibels. It's very quiet, like stock, at cruising speeds. It's a moderate acceleration. Sounds a little more there than stock for sure. You can hear it. Response feels fine. Doesn't feel like it lost anything down low, like torque. Drivability is good. So I think it'll show okay numbers on the dyno.